Remy, sit. Speak.
Fuck!
Good boy.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Excuse me? Excuse me? George!
Oh my god.
Stop. Okay.